Hi everyone, I'm looking forward to seeing you at the Brookdale Open House. My name is Anoop Ahluwalia and I'm the STEM Dean. If you want to be a STEM major anywhere, Brookdale is truly the best start you'll get. We provide so many wonderful resources to help you succeed, and we have such a big variety of programs. We have science majors like biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental science. We also have math, computer science, and engineering. We have a cybersecurity program that's growing really fast. And we have auto tech program with 12-bay facility. Math lab and computer science lab provide free tutoring all day long. And we even have a dedicated STEM lounge for you. There are amazing STEM clubs for you to choose from. If you want to be a STEM major anywhere, Brookdale truly gives you the best start. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the open house, and thank you so much for considering Brookdale Community College.
There. It's a destination, a place you aspire to be. For some, there is a career helping those in need. For others, it's an office high above the city streets. There can be behind the scenes of a five-star hotel, behind a VR headset designing the latest video games, or underneath a high-end sports car. No matter where your there may be, we will help get you there. Brookdale, here we'll get you there.